Handyman Connection. One call gets the things you want done, done. From small home repairs to improvements, you can trust the professionals at Handyman Connection to service, paint, patch, replace, fix, install, repair, maintain, and remodel just about anything. Conveniently located in Orange County, Handyman Connection has been taking the worry and stress out of home improvement, repairs, and remodeling for homeowners since 1990. We are the original and trusted home improvement specialists. Handyman Connection. Home improvements done right, done quick, guaranteed.